Want to give buyers a closer look before they step inside? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add virtual tours to your MLS listings. Virtual tours are an excellent way for clients to see the interior of a home before visiting the property in person. Adding them into the MLS allows your virtual tours to be easily sent by buyers' agents and syndicated to the internet. To add a virtual tour to the MLS, select Listings. Under Maintain Listings, you can choose either Listings or Partials, depending on where the listing you are working on falls. Go to the listing you are working on and select an Action. Select Add Edit Virtual Tour. This will prompt you to enter your unbranded and branded media links. This is where you will enter the links to your virtual tour. Make sure the branded tour and unbranded tours go into the correct links. Branded means your personal contact info and broker info are on the website so that someone can contact you about the home. Unbranded means there is no information to contact you, or any mention of you or your brokerage. You have 2 fields for each, so feel free to add a branded and unbranded website as well. Here you can also add your disclosure and showing schedule link if you've made a disclosure.io packet, or are using ShowingTime, Calendly, or any other online schedule tool. These tools will allow buyers' agents the ability to receive the disclosure packet or schedule time to see the property, without needing to contact you. Now you know how to add a virtual tour to Paragon. Good luck with your listing.